So friends, it is one of the most discussed topic, NDA and NA. Whenever we see the notification of the NDA exam, we find two words. It is NDA and NA. NDA, everybody is aware about the NDA, that is National Defence Academy. If you are going to appear in the written examination of the National Defence Academy, definitely you are going to join the National Defence Academy. But at the same time, there is one more thing added with this examination, which is known as National Academy. Sorry, Naval Academy, not National Academy. Sorry for that. That is Naval Academy. So what is going to happen? Actually, there are two kind of things. Although you are going to appear in a written examination, but there are four academics, or you can say four things which you are ultimately going to do. If you are cracking the NDA examination, you are supposed to choose the four things. Four priorities will be there while filling the online form. So finally, you will join the NDA, National Defence Academy, and will pursue your educational training with the Army training exposure of the Armed Forces training at National Defence Academy for the 3 years only. Once you have completed the training at NDA for 3 years, you are supposed to be at the various academies selected by you or chosen by you. That will be your IMA, Indian Military Academy. Those who have got selected for Army, Indian Naval Academy. Those who have got selected for Indian Navy, and Air Force Academy. Those who have got selected for Air Force. But at the same time, there is one more academy which is known as Naval Academy. The same I am using here, Indian Naval Academy. But here you are reaching only after completing the training of NDA of 3 years. Then you are reaching an Indian Naval Academy. But at the same time, here those who qualify NDA, some of them directly reaches to Naval Academy. Why? Because as we have discussed in the previous video about the 10+2 BTech cadet entry scheme. After clearing the SSB through 10+2 BTech cadet entry scheme, a candidate joins Naval Academy and he pursues BTech for 4 years. But at the same time, there is one more way to join the Naval Academy in the BTech course, and that is known as NDA and NA examination. If you are getting highest marks in the NDA examination, NDA written examination, then you may get the chance to join the Naval Academy, and you are supposed to pursue BTech for 4 years. So that is why there are two terms used in this notification. First is NDA and second one is Naval Academy. If you are clearing the written examination of NDA with flying colors and good marks, you can opt for Naval Academy, and you are supposed to pursue the BTech for 4 years directly. You are not supposed to reach to the NDA. You are not supposed to pursue these kind of trainings. Although if you are talking about the BTech, it doesn't mean that you will be pursuing BTech like a civil candidates, civil students. No, the BTech will be with the exposure of the Armed Forces training, especially with the naval training. And here, if you are getting less marks, you are supposed to choose IMA, you are supposed to choose Army, Navy, Air Force, and after clearing this, you are supposed to pursue training of 3 years, and after completion of the 3-year training, you will reach at IMA, Naval Academy or Air Force Academy. So this is the difference between National Defence Academy and Naval Academy. And while filling your form, just remember that there is preferences, choice of preferences asked in the form. So there will be preference 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can give the preference whomever you want to join. If you want to join Indian Military Academy, that is Army, you can opt 1. If you want to join Air Force, second, you can give it second. If you want to join Indian Naval Academy, third, and if you want to pursue BTech Naval Academy, you can give options 4. So whatever the wing you want to join, you can give your preference. So this is all about the difference between NDA and Naval Academy. In the upcoming videos, we will be talking about these kind of facts, these kind of differences, these kind of small defense tidbits, and which will be very beneficial for you for opting defense as a career, as well as for the knowledge for the SSB interview also. So thank you very much. In this part, that's all I had. Thank you very much.